Mr. Kumar. There's a lot you need to know. I have something for you.
What is it, sir?
Here is your uniform.
Thank you, sir.
And here is your walkie-talkie. Keep this safe and with you at all times.
Thank you, sir.
I will teach you how to use it tomorrow. Do not be late again.
Oh look, it's Karthik Dhandapani.
Hey Rajiv, I don't why you keep calling me that when you know my name is Karthik Kumar.
You are Karthik Kumar to others. To me, you will always be a Dhandapani. Anyway, what are you doing here? I didn't expect to see you.
I have joined work here.
I didn't know they were hiring a gangman. I would have personally recommended your name if I knew.
Haha, very funny. You know we both studied to become loco pilots.
What? You? A loco pilot? Ha ha ha. This is too funny. I thought you would never graduate from the academy.
You haven't changed at all, have you?
See you around. Loco pilot.
I see that you arrived on time.
Yes, sir.
What was that man telling you?
Who Rajiv, sir? Nothing, we studied together. He was my senior at the academy, sir.
I trained him too. Hope you are better than him. I hope you remember what you learned yesterday. Always blow horn before picnic. Good. Now depart from station and attain the speed of 40. Now keep going and reach Arakona.
What was that, sir? Sir, did I do something wrong?
No, that wasn't you. Somebody pulled the alarm bell. Take out your walkie-talkie and do as I say.
Attention loco pilot. This is the guard.
Looks like someone has pulled the chain. Check immediately.
Who pulled the chain?
Two guys pulled the chain. They ran away.
What was their seat number?
They were traveling out of the test.
Okay, I will inform the loco pilot. Thanks. The chain was pulled in S4 coach. I have reset the ACP. Ready to leave now. Can you submit report to the RM?
I will.
You handled that very well. I am working on speed testing a new top secret loco. The trials are scheduled tomorrow.
That sounds really fascinating, sir.
It is. I want you to take part in it and assist me. I hear the minister will be coming for inauguration.
This is very exciting, sir.
So be here at 8 am sharp tomorrow. You will meet Miss Kavitha. She is also on the team.
was late one time, but you will never stop mentioning that, I guess.
First impressions matter. Hi, I'm Kavita. I'm the loco engineer.
Hi. Karthik. Satada sir informed me you are on the team. Is there anything I need to know about the mission today?
We are performing the final trials of the new loco developed indigenously in Banaras. If today's test goes well, we may end up breaking the old speed record.
What is the current record?
The current speed record is 206 kilometers per hour in 60 seconds. We have to break that today.
That sounds very challenging.
Yes, but we are positive. Look, Satada sir has come. Let's get into the loco.
The route is cleared for us. All speed limits are disabled. Our goal is to break the speed record in 45 seconds or less. Kavita, when I tell you, start the countdown. Karthik, as soon as the timer starts, push the throttle to full. Are you both ready? On my countdown. 3, 2, 1, start. Keep going. We have to create a new India speed record.
Fantastic effort team. We have done it.
Final fail zones get to the start. The loco is ready for start.
Yeah, it was proving too bright, sir.
Everyone on the mission today has received a Fremont certificate of today's speed record. Here is your copy.
Thanks, sir.
Station master just confirmed to me that Minister has accepted our invitation for inaugural run of the loco.
That's great news, sir.
We should start preparing for inauguration. It will be a special day for us all.